Welcome to the introductory video on the KitPimp Pathfinder Bergen in MTP, prior to the forthcoming release in June of 2021. In this video, we will be covering the main aspects and features of the Pathfinder Bergen itself, as well as the smaller things which make it the Bergen of choice for those in the UK Armed Forces. The Pathfinder Bergen has been designed with all the most popular modifications soldiers ask for when sending their rucksacks off to third-party tailors, so we've been sure to include all of them in the design, so there is no need to send your rucksack off to be tailored and pay for the expensive modifications, as this has all been included from the start, and now we'll go into them. The main features allow soldiers to easily access their equipment from the outside, and with the addition of a triple utility pouch and a poncho pouch, this makes it all the more easier. There is a top lid which is used for storing essentials quickly and easily. The Bergen itself has two removable PLCE style side pouches which also features mesh pockets underneath. The rucksack lid itself is a tactical floating lid, which houses the modified lid which contains the three internal mesh pockets, which makes battlefield organization and administration easier, with the three sewn-in mesh bags and the MOLLE style elasticated loops. The unique back system is a mesh support system with two long vertical pads that promote airflow, which runs either side of the spine that flows into a lumbar support pad for added comfort. This allows the operator to carry the load in the most comfortable way over longer periods of time. The main shoulder straps are wider to help with spreading the load and enlarge the load surface area, and also use the same airflow system with mesh as the back lumbar support area. It should be noted that the waist belt, which is mounted onto the Bergen, does feature MOLLE loops for adding further pouches and is also removable. The belt itself is finished off with a Cobra style quick release buckle. Like everything else in our range, the KitPimp Pathfinder Bergen is manufactured from genuine MTP fabric, which is also 1000D and is as tough as it gets. It's made to meet the standards demanded from military issue kits and to satisfy the stringent requirements needed, as well as being infrared reflective.